So guys, I haven't bowled in a month now. I don't even think I still know how to bowl. But let's see if I still know how to. I almost fell because I didn't check if I can slide. Let me not make that mistake again because I almost broke myself. Because of that. Oh, come on. I went down. My body is not doing the right thing. I'm going too down instead of standing upright. My ball is going that way. So, stay up. Ah, come on. Hey. I went for the same arrow. Ah, come on. Oh. Sabotage. Ah, no. I was going there. Sabotage. I don't know. I don't like to play the edge like that. But that's what this ball is doing. I'm in trouble because today I'm bowling league and I still don't have my line. Wait for your second.